Okay, so we're going to look at a chemistry demo today. If you think back to when you took Science 10, you talked a little bit about how you know you're looking at a chemical change or a physical change. One of the really good clues that it's a chemical reaction is when it gives off energy in the form of heat or light. A lot of people are used to ones that release heat and light, but very few chemical reactions release light without releasing a lot of heat, and this is one of those reactions. If anybody watches cop dramas on television, a lot of the times when they process a crime scene, they're testing for the presence of blood. And they spray this stuff that's called luminol, and it's supposed to react if there's blood present, and it actually will react in a way that glows. And that way they can tell that there might have been blood at this crime scene. So it's the same chemical reaction we're going to look at today. Hydrogen peroxide is a type of chemical that will trigger the luminol reaction, and the luminol is mixed together with some other stuff in this container. When I bring the two containers together, we should see a chemical reaction that releases light energy. So the bluish looking stuff should start to glow quite a lot if we've done everything correct. So step one, I'm going to add our luminol solution. And then I'm going to pour in our second solution. What you will notice is hopefully as soon as this solution hits that solution, we're going to start to see some glowing. So here we go. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's awesome.
So if you want to show somebody that you're working at the lab, this is definitely the type of thing you want to show them.
Is it edible?
It is not something I would recommend drinking. The hydrogen peroxide that's making it glow is probably not the best thing to be drinking. This will lose its glow over time as the reaction takes place, and it'll eventually fade to a rather dark blackish blue liquid. But this is the reaction that indicates there was some kind of an oxidizer in our first chemical. Yeah, that's why the darker room helps, because it just looks
But it was
a little
really
bit.
good with the black background.
Yeah, I thought that would happen. So, there we go.
Oh, wow, is it ever faded?
Yeah, big difference between when we first mixed them and now. So there we go.
Yay!
Hooray for